Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making melon and banana chaat. This is very quick and easy recipe. Here I have taken 3 bananas. They are sliced. 250 grams of melon. This is honeydew melon. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. I am not adding salt. If you want, you can add. Here I have cut the melon into thin cubes. You can cut in any shape you want. Now here I have taken this bowl and now I will mix all the ingredients. Bananas, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Melon, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sugar and chaat masala and lemon juice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will mix them together. Now all the ingredients are mixed and now this is done. Melon and banana chaat is ready to be served. Melon is now in season. Please use it like this and the chaat. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.